Today we're going to be baking some chocolate fudge muffins and we'll be using these baking cups that were gifted to us by Baker Signature. These baking cups are tulip-shaped cupcake liners and each box comes with 150 non-stick parchment paper cupcake wrappers that are already pre-cut and pre-shaped. All you need to do is sit them directly onto your regular sized cupcake sheet. Here we're setting a total of 12 cups. And let's take a closer look at one of these cups. See how nicely they're folded and they will not fall apart either. And now in goes the chocolate fudge batter. We're going to fill each cup up to about 70% because the muffins will rise during the baking process. And then once all the batter is in, throw in a few bonus chocolate chips if you like it. And then slide the entire tray straight into the oven to let the muffin batter bake. And here are our muffins fully baked and ready to eat. They lift out of the muffin tray very easily, and the best part is that there is no mess and there's minimal cleanup.